Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our second lesson of exercise 1.2. 1.1 I did, exercise 1.2. okay, extended mathematics, Y8. okay, now page number is 3. Now before starting exercise, I would like to introduce few symbols, mathematical symbols here. I want to discuss with you few symbols here. The first symbol is, you know, this very famous symbol, equal to. Okay, equal to. This symbol is not equal to, not equal. This symbol is less than. Like I'm saying 5 is less than 9, so this symbol we use. This symbol is greater than. Like 10 is greater than 6. Similarly, we have another symbol. This one is less than or equal. Less than or equal. Like I can say 5 is less than or equal to 10. Now here are two things, either less or equal. So 5 is not equal to 10, but 5 is not equal to 10, but 5 is less than 10. So we can use this sign for this situation. Other one is this one, 5 is greater or equal to 2. So again two things are here, greater than or equal, both. So either this will be greater or will be equal. So 5 is greater than 2. We can also say 5 is greater than or equal to 5. It's fine, they both are equal. So we can say, we can use this symbol here. One more symbol is this one, approximately. Then there's another symbol, it's this one, therefore. This was not in the book, extended book, which is written by David Reiner. In this new book, this symbol is there. One more symbol is here, which is this one. Okay, the square root. Sorry. The square root. Now these symbols are we'll be using these symbols in exercise, this new exercise. Now question number 1, they say in question number 1 there are A to M parts. They say rewrite each of these statements using mathematical symbol. Rewrite them. Rewrite them using mathematical symbol. Like they have first part given to us, 19 is less than 45. For other parts I'm not writing them, I will be giving their own answers only, because you have books with you. You can see the parts and you can see my answer here, and this will be helping you. Okay, I don't need to write the answer, the questions here, it's wasting of time. So the first I did only for your understanding. First the questions are given this way, and the second question, the answers will be, see, 19 is less than 45. Okay, then I'm going to next part. Next part is part B. Part B, they said 12 plus, in the question they said 12 plus 18 is equal to 30. So 12 plus 18 is equal to 30. That's fine. And part C, in part C they say 0.5 is equal, so we will convert them, that sentence is given in the book in the exercise, but I'm writing the answers here. So 0.5 is equal, in English they say 0.5 in sentence form, 0.5 is equal to 1/2. So if I'm writing them in mathematical form, I will write them this way. Okay, part D. Part D is 0.8 is not equal to, yes, is not equal to 8.0. Fine, correct. Then part E is minus 34 is less than 2 times minus 16. Minus 34 is less than 2 times minus 16. This way, or we can write this way, minus 34 is less than 2 into minus 16. Both are correct. Part F is, therefore the number x equals the square root of 72. Therefore the number x equals square root of 72. Part G is a number x is less than or equal to negative 45. Number x is less than or equal to negative 45. Then part H is pi. Pi is approximately equal to 3.14 approximately. And then part I is 5.1 is greater than 5.01. Part J is a sum of 3 and 4 is not equal to the product of 3 and 4. Yes, a sum of 3 and 4 is not equal to the product of 3 and 4. Fine, it's not equal. Okay, fine. J, K and L, these two parts your homework. Okay, now it's done. Now let's do the next question. Next question is okay, question number 2. Say whether these statements, mathematical statements, are true or false. They say 0. Part A, 0.599 is greater than 6.0. It's true or false? Of course it's false. 0.5, this is 0.569. Even if we round it, we get 1, not 6. So it's not greater than 6.0. Part B is 5 into 1999 is approximately equal to 10,000. So it's true. Part C is 8.1, which is equal to 8 into 1 over 10. Now just see what is 8 into 1 over 10 giving to us. 10 8s are this into this. 10 8s are 80, and this then plus here. Multiply here and then plus here. So it's becoming 81 over 10, which is 8.1. So 8.1 is equal to 8.1. It's true. Now part D. Part D is 6.2 plus 4.3 is equal to 4.3 plus 6.2. It's true. Yes, it's true. You can change the position, doesn't matter. Part E. Part E is 20 into 9 is greater or equal to 21 into 8. So of course is it's true. It's true because it's giving you 180, it's giving you 168. Both are different. Now part F. Part F is 6.0 is equal to 6. It's true, yes, it's also true. Part F is true. Then part G. What is part G? Minus 12 is greater than minus 4. Listen and remember, whenever there is a number, see 12 is bigger than 4. Okay, understand this thing please. 12 is bigger than 4. But when the negative sign is coming, then a bigger number with negative sign is smaller than a smaller number with negative sign. So this minus 12 is smaller than minus 4. So if we write this thing, then it's false. Okay, part G done. Now come to part G. So H then. What is part H? 19.9 is less than equal to 20. It's true, yes. HI. See, they don't say around it. No, they don't say around it. It's in this position, in this case they are saying 19.9 in this case is 19.9. It's not 20. So 19.9 is less than or equal to 20. Then I is 1000 is greater than 199 into 5. Yes, it's true because I think it's giving you 9,995 I think, and this is 10,000. It's bigger. Part J, it's true. It's also true. K is 35 into 5 into 2 is not equal to 350, which is incorrect because if you do it, if you get the result of this using calculator, it's exactly equal to 350. KL. L is 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 divided by 20. No, it's false. It's false. Okay, it's false. It's false. Okay, M and N. These parts you can do as homework. If this is, if we have 20 into 4, it's 4 into 20, it's true, equal. If we have 20 plus 4, it's equal to 4 plus 20, but 20 divided by 4 is not equal to 4 divided by 20. Okay, this thing, one more thing, this is giving us result is 5 here, and here result is what? Here result is 1 upon 4. So they both are not equal. They both are different things. 1 over 4 is basically, see, 1 over 4 is 0.25, and 5 is a bigger number, so they cannot be equal to each other. They both are different things. Okay, that's the end of exercise. End of exercise 1.2. Inshallah, in the next video I will be doing exercise 1.3, and very soon I'll finish this whole chapter for you, and you will be inshallah enjoying these videos, and you will be getting help from these videos. They are only meant to give you help, to give you guidance in this special situation where we have throughout the world schools are closed, and administration, parents and teachers, these three, the administration is working hard. They are working hard and hard. They are doing more work than teachers, and they are there always, and teachers are also trying their best to give you more helping material, and the parents are also helping. So in this moment, in these crisis, in this corona situation, we all are helping you. So you should be working hard to cover your course and to cover your difficulties. If there are still difficulties, your teachers are always there. Your teachers are always there to help you, so you can ask them, and inshallah they will help you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.